Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is from HelloFresh and it's one of their lunchtime recipes, which I think they just started recently, and it's a cucumber salad stuffed pita pocket. So each meal is labeled in its own brown bag. All the ingredients are individually labeled. So they make it very simple for you. Sometimes the stuff is even like chopped or broken up. But just take everything out of there, and then I wash all the produce. And the first thing I always do is read over the recipe to make sure what I'm getting into. And then I dice all the produce, get all that prep ready. So I have the cucumbers and the tomatoes in a bowl. I picked off the dill, sliced the lemon. Then when all of the prep is done, I'm adding some seeds, half the dill, olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. And then a big splash of lemon juice. And then you can mix that really well, set it aside. In another small container, I have the sour cream. I'm adding the rest of the dill to it. Another squeeze of lemon and salt and pepper for that container as well. And give that a good mix. This only took about 10 minutes to do with the prep and everything. And then you just start assembling the pita pockets. So I sliced them down the middle, adding a bunch of the hummus to the inside. Then the tomato and cucumber mixture. You can fit pretty much in there. Then obviously if there's leftovers, you can eat it on the side. Then you could add the sour cream mixture on top. And they also included some hot sauce that you can drizzle on there if you'd like. But yeah, very simple and easy. Sprinkle some feta, and you have yourself a really quick lunch. I do have a couple more HelloFresh recipes I will be sharing during Cookmas, so if you're interested, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. And if you'd like to try HelloFresh, there's a promo code below. Bye, guys!